who is truly the #1 Parkland real estate team? Well, per Zillow, Parrot Realty is ranked #1 in Parkland, and here's why. Year to date, according to the MLS Matrix, we have 46 closings totaling over $31.5 million, with 12 homes under contract at around $11.7 million. Of the closed sales, over $20 million have been in Parkland alone, including our new construction sales in Parkland Bay. We average just 5.5 days on the market and a list to sales price ratio of 105%. We have been #1 in Parkland for the past 6 years, and we certainly plan on finishing our year stronger than ever, making us #1 7 years consecutively. We want to thank all of you who have supported us over the years and for your business and your trust.